And so I'll just now hand over to Elliot, who's an NDT engineering technician apprentice at the Institute of Mechanical Engineers, Argyll Rowan. So I think, Elliot, you were just going to give us a little bit of an insight, weren't you, into life as an apprentice?
Yeah, I was going to maybe give you a little bit of an overview of my time leading up to that.
Perfect. That'd be great, Elliot. Thank you.
So yeah, I'm an apprentice at IMechE in Sheffield. I'm doing the level 3 engineering technician apprenticeship, which I started in December last year. So I started out in engineering about 7 or 8 years ago, in working for a major aerospace company, building aircraft components made from carbon fiber and other similar materials. And after about 4 years, I went into to work in NDT in the same company, applying UT techniques to test the components that I previously built. And having that previous experience made the transition into NDT, quite smooth. I think I was able to characterize defects quite well because of that experience. And then I decided to try a new challenge. I wanted to experience the industrial side of NDT. And I worked for a couple of companies in Sheffield who test forged products, again, applying UT techniques. And this was prior to joining IMechE. I held tickets in EN 4179 level 2 UT and forgings UT level 2 as well. As well as that, I'm doing a degree with the Open University on the side, which I opted to do myself. And that's going well. I've been doing that for about a year now. I just wanted to say a few things about the apprenticeship so far, why I chose it, why I chose to undertake an NDT apprenticeship. Just having the opportunity to learn while working as an apprentice, as I enjoy learning new things, nothing more than that really. And the chance to come here and expand my knowledge was like the major factor. So what I've been doing so far, like you said, I'm doing the level 3 engineering apprenticeship, which requires me to undertake 3 NDT methods, visual testing, radiographic testing, and weld inspection, all to level 2. And I've been able to sit on multiple courses up to this point in the methods I've just mentioned, and I'm really happy with the methods that I'm learning. I've also shown my support at the Yorkshire branch meetings by showing my presence, and I found the experience to be very insightful. Very interesting subjects, although they might not be related to what I'm doing. Still very interesting. What I enjoy about the apprenticeship so far, it's been good to learn the other NDT methods, and I think the level of support I've received both from my employer and skills training has been excellent, really ensuring that I understand what I'm doing. And what I'm looking forward to in the future is I look forward to passing on the knowledge to students in the future once I've completed my apprenticeship, and I'm looking forward to develop as an individual and improve my skill set even further. And that's about it.
All right,
thanks for that.
No problem. Thank you very much for that insight as well. And
yeah.
I think you're a really good example that it's not just for new people into NDT, it can be used for anyone. Especially anyone with his existing NDT quals, so you can, like you just mentioned, like enhance your current knowledge in other techniques whilst applying it to the work that you're doing, and also receiving that structured training help.
That's been excellent. Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good, mate. And we look forward to seeing how you progress and get on, and I'm sure there'll be lots of things that you're going to be involved in the future as well.
Yeah, thanks. I'm looking forward to it. Appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem, mate. Thank you. And yeah, we've obviously had some really good employer feedback, which you can read on our website. Obviously, we've got a couple of case studies there from Steve Baldwin, who's the technical director at PTS. So PTS are an NDT test house based in Staffordshire, covering a multitude of different techniques and industry sectors that they work with. And also, we're not just working with test houses, like I mentioned previously, but working with organisations like Sheffield Forge Masters, which are a world-class organisation manufacturing like critical components and massive cast products and forged products that are shipped around the world. So our apprentices are working on these components that are being produced and actually applying themselves as a level 2 once they've been qualified in them techniques and certified, and actually making a big real life business impact. A couple of the projects that our apprentices have done have really enhanced organizations' productivity and efficiency, and as well as really developed current techniques and procedures that NDT has been applied to in their organizations as well. So if you're from any kind of organization and you do NDT, the NDT apprenticeships can really benefit. Yeah.